सोलापूर येथील सारथी संडे इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स क्लब या संस्थेच्या 19व्या वर्धापन दिनानिमित्त द बेस्ट इंग्लिश टीचर पुरस्काराचे वितरण सिद्धेश्वर वुमन्स कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग प्राचार्य डॉक्टर तुकाराम चव्हाण यांच्या हस्ते करण्यात आले। यावेळी प्राचार्य चव्हाण आपल्या अध्यक्षीय भाषणात म्हणाले की तांत्रिक ज्ञानाबरोबरच इंग्रजी संभाषण कौशल्यावर बहुराष्ट्रीय कंपन्या भर देतात। त्यामुळे ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांचे इंग्रजी संभाषण कौशल्य चांगले आहे त्यांनाच नोकरीत प्राधान्य दिले जाते। त्यासाठी सारथीच्या व्यासपीठाचा युवकांनी आपल्या संभाषण कौशल्यासाठी उपयोग करावा। या कार्यक्रमाच्या प्रास्ताविकेत संस्थापक प्राध्यापक विठ्ठल बंगा यांनी सारथी क्लबच्या यशस्वी वाटचालीवर प्रकाश टाकत पुढील वर्षी 20व्या वर्धापन दिनानिमित्त राष्ट्रीय स्तरावरचे कार्यक्रम आयोजित करण्याचे मानस असल्याचे सांगितले। या प्रसंगी प्राथमिक शिक्षण विभागातून ज्योती नेहलानी, संगमेश्वर पब्लिक स्कूल सोलापूर, माध्यमिक विभागातून अरविंद पवार, भारत विद्यालय बुलढाणा आणि महाविद्यालयीन विभागातून प्राध्यापक ज्ञानेश्वर जाधव, SPM पॉलिटेक्निक कुमठे यांना द बेस्ट इंग्लिश टीचर पुरस्काराने तर ऋषिकेश कनकट्टी, प्रमोद कानडे, जनार्दन काकी आणि लता दासरी यांना आउटस्टँडिंग अचीवमेंट अवॉर्ड या पुरस्काराने सन्मानित करण्यात आले। यासोबतच राहुल चिंता आणि अंकिता रच्चा यांना द बेस्ट सारथियन तर साक्षी अक्कलवाडी, शरणेश्वर येदूर, वेदांत कोल्हापुरे, साक्षी रव्वा, गौरी कोळी, तेजस बागल, रोहित संदर्गी, अक्षरा पंदिल्ला यांना द यंगेस्ट सारथियन पुरस्काराने गौरवण्यात आले। यावेळी नीट परीक्षेत 653 गुण घेतलेल्या किरण कुमार बोरा आणि VIT पुणे महाविद्यालयात IT विभागात प्रथम आलेल्या तेजस गाडी आणि संगीत शिक्षिका गायत्री पेद्देंटी यांचाही सन्मान करण्यात आला।
इंग्लिश कॅटेगरी इंग्लिश टीचर फ्रॉम सोलापूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. So I appeal all the teachers from the English category to be the part of our next year's that mega event, that is the 20th anniversary, that will be definitely a national event for Solapurites and for Maharashtrian students and Indian as well. See friends, what is Sarthi? Many people ask me, what do you normally do during Sunday events? 4 to 6, that is our fixed timing, and what happens normally over there? We talk, we chat, we discuss. Gappa marno, that is what happens over there. 2 hours gappa marno, but in English. We have discussions, we have seminars, we have external speeches, we have symposiums, we have 1-minute speeches, introduction parts, word games, grammar game, what not. Whatever you tell us, that is with us. For the last 19 years, each and every Sunday, but different kind of activities being conducted over here. Can you imagine how a language can be learned? Into various games, articles, activities. For kids categories, we have different kind of activities.
Today we gather here not only for the cherishing these all people, but we are making all the people encouraging for the next forthcoming generation to be ready for learning English language. Indeed, it is a recognition and pride for all the movement that felicitating their child and kids will be more memorable incident for everybody's life. Without wasting our time, let's start our felicitation ceremony.
Definitely, Sarthi is grown up, and I wish Sarthi for next achievements, for expanding their horizons, for new goals. So this is the special day for Sarthi and me also. I went through all the videos on YouTube, and I actually watched. I saw that Sarthi is working on different paths, on different way. Actually, I remember in 2013, I had been to California to study just how to teach English, the methodology. Also, I worked in Tashkent and Andijan.
I dedicate this award to my students. Because of them, I'm standing here. Even I'm very happy with the team Sarthi. These people are really working very hard for the what we call the newly entrants, those who have a fear about English language. Whenever I was in the class, I just advised to my students, learning language is not the destination, it is a journey. You have to embrace the mistakes and overcome all the mistakes. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, mistakes, it increases your experiences, but your experiences decreases your mistakes.
First of all, I would like to thank the entire Sarthi family, and the only one thing which I want to say, because of the time constraint, okay, I will only two things. Okay, the invest your time in your growth, okay, and Sarthi is always available for you as a support system for your growth.
Because all the Sarthians were this rocket launcher, but the director was Mr. Ondas. Whatever the success I got, really a big role played by Sarthi. Not only I learned the English, more than that, I just learned how to live the life beautifully. That's the secret. So once again, I would like to thanks to all the Sarthians as well as Mr. Manga sir for honored me with this outstanding achievement award.
And this honor will percolate to all others so that they will put the special efforts to develop the career of the students. And here, all Sarthians and all here the gatherings are English related, English communication community. And I am from the engineering background or technological background. And I am very happy to know that this Sarthian or Sarthi English club, Speakers Club, is arranging various activities to improve the English communication skill, then to improve the stage daring, then to improve how to do the presentation, then personality development, then to develop the interview skills or techniques.
या प्रसंगी वेणी वंगा, क्लबचे माजी अध्यक्ष ॲडव्होकेट गणेश कटारे, श्रीशैल मसुते, प्राध्यापक नागराज खराडे, नागेश पाथरूट, विनायक काकी, सुजाता सक्करगी, शशिकांत पाथरूट, प्रशांत बोनाकृती, प्रशांत पसनूर, प्राध्यापक धानप्पा मैत्री, उद्योजक सिद्धेश्वर गड्डम आदी उपस्थित होते. या कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन श्रीहरी अरकाल आणि दीपाली नंदाल यांनी केले, तर आभार प्रदर्शन क्लबचे अध्यक्ष श्रीलता दासरी यांनी मानले. कार्यक्रम यशस्वीरित्या पार पाडण्यासाठी सनी दौलताबाद, साई गणेश दंडगल, श्रीनिवास पेद्दिंटी, राज अलवाल, आरती दुद्याल, शिवलीला कुरणे, शैलेश गड्डम, पवनकुमार मंचिकटला, आर्यन कुंचाटे, पूनम म्हणता आदींनी परिश्रम घेतले.